Hello students, welcome back to online class. This is maths class for students of class 4. We already revised chapter 1 numbers and chapter 2 addition. I am Sharbani Ghosh and today we will revise chapter 3 subtraction and chapter 4 multiplication. Revision will help you to brush up your concepts and help you to solve your exercises. So let's get started with third chapter subtraction first. Let us revise definitions that you have learnt. These are the terms related to subtraction. Minuend, the number from which other number is subtracted is called minuend. Subtrahend, the number which is being subtracted is called subtrahend. Difference, the result of subtraction is called difference. That means in subtraction, the larger number is minuend, the smaller number is subtrahend, and the answer of subtraction is difference. Hope it is clear to you. So, let's proceed further and revise properties of subtraction. One by one, we will learn properties of subtraction. First property, if 1 is subtracted from any number, the difference is the predecessor of that number. For example, 352 minus 1 is equal to 351, which is predecessor of 352. Second property, if 0 is subtracted from any number, the difference is the number itself. For example, 3596 minus 0 gives 3596, the number itself. Third property, if any number is subtracted from the number itself gives 0. For example, 731 minus 731 is equal to 0. If 10, 100, 1000, etc. is subtracted from a number, respectively, the digits of tens, hundreds, and thousand places decreases by 1. Other digits remain the same. For example, 5392 minus 10 gives 5382. 9412 minus 100 gives 9312. 4892 minus 1000 gave 3892. We can understand only tens, hundreds, and thousand places are changed, that is, decreases by 1. Other digits remain same. Now, let us practice some examples for easy understanding. We will start borrowing subtraction with example. Here, we subtracting 683 from 800. We have to borrow 100 from 800. Split this 100 as 90 and 10, or 9 tens and 10 ones. We write 7, 9 and 10 above 100, tens and 1 places respectively. Then start subtraction. 10 minus 3 gives 7, 9 minus 8 gives 1, and 7 minus 6 gives 1. So, our result or difference is 117. Now we see next example. This is another borrowing subtraction. Also we can solve by the same process. This is the borrowing subtraction of 6-digit numbers. Children, hope it was clear to you. So we can start next topic, checking of subtraction by addition. Here we are subtracting 1013 from 5127. After doing the subtraction, we can check the difference ourselves by addition. The difference is here 4114. If we add this number with the subtrahend, we will get the minuend as the sum if our result is correct. This is the process of checking subtraction. We can conclude difference plus subtrahend is equal to minuend. This is another example of checking of subtraction. Next, we revise estimation of difference. We estimate any number to make it easier to understand. The estimated number should be very closer to the given number. Here we are seeing an example. The nearest hundred of 5392 is 5400, and the nearest hundred of 2328 is 2300. For finding the estimated difference, we subtract 2300 from 5400, which gives 3100, whereas the actual difference is 3064, and we know the nearest hundred of 3064 is 3100. Now we discuss some word problems. Keep practicing word problem with larger numbers as this will help you to solve different problems. First problem. A car was bought for rupees 3,55,750. After 1 year, it was sold for rupees 2,36,650. How much loss was there? We will start the solution that the cost price of the car is rupees 3,55,750 and selling price of the car is rupees 2,36,650. So we get the amount of loss by subtracting from the cost price minus selling price, which gives 1,19,100. So amount of loss here rupees 1,19,100. Second word problem. Anand took rupees 56,296 from his friend. He returned rupees 23,954. Find the amount he has yet to pay. Solution. Amount of money took is rupees 56,296. Amount of money returned is equal to rupees 23,954. So the amount of money he has to pay we will get by subtraction, that is rupees 56,296 minus rupees 23,954, which gives rupees 32,342. Children, is everything clear to you? Next, now we will start Chapter 4, Revision of Multiplication. For this chapter, you should need to know multiplication table very well. At first, we revise the terms associated with multiplication. Multiplication. Repeated addition is termed as multiplication. Multiplicand. The number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. Multiplier. The number by which we multiply is called multiplier. Product. The result of multiplication is called product. That means in 75 into 39 is equal to 2,925. Here 75 is multiplicand, 39 is multiplier and 2,925 is the product. Now we start properties of multiplication. First property. If any number is multiplied by 1, product is the number itself. For example, 725 into 1 is equal to 725, the number itself. Second property. If any number is multiplied by 0, product is 0. 553 into 0 gives 0. Third property. If order of the numbers is changed, product remains the same. For example, 35 into 94 is equal with 94 into 35. Fourth property. If group of the numbers is changed, then also product remain the same. Multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. For example, 19 into 10 is 190. 19 into 100 is equal to 1900. 19 into 1000 gives 19 thousands. Now we will see process of column multiplication. Here is an example: 350 multiplied by 125. Students, remind, first line we will multiply 350 by 5. In the second line we multiply 350 by 20. And in the third line we multiply 350 by 100. So in the second line, ones place will be 0. In the third line, ones and tens places will be 0. After that, these three lines will be added and we will get the product 43,750. Now we start estimation of product. By estimation, we do not get the exact product, but we get the approximate value which gives the clear concept to us. Rounding of the numbers help to estimate the product. The nearest 10 of 583 is 580 and the nearest 10 of 39 is 40. The product is 23,200, which is closer to the actual product, that is 22,737. Now we start word problem. First problem. Ravi has 235 500 rupee note. How much money does he have? Solution. Number of notes is equal to 230. Value of each note is rupees 500. So, total amount of money we will get by product of 230 and 500, which is rupees 1,15,000. Second problem. A factory produced 240 shirts in one day. How many shirts will be produced from April to July? Solution. You have learnt in earlier classes in the time chapter the number of days in the months of a year. You have to recall and use this now. Number of days in April is 30. Number of days in May is 31. Number of days in June is 30 and number of days in July is 31. So total number of days from April to July we get by adding these numbers, which is 122. Next, we solve the problems. Number of shirts produced in one day is 240. Total number of days is equal to 122. Therefore, the total number of shirts produced is obtained by multiplication of 240 by 122, which gives 29,280. Hope you have enjoyed this video and revised both the chapter very well. Thank you. Have a good day.